Yesterday we went over elimination, right? And you had substitution before that. Today is a work day, so that means that today, right now, you should be writing up questions, all right? So what I'll do is I did 3 problems from the substitution section yesterday, right? So I'll do 1 more substitution today, and I'll do 4 eliminations at most, all right? So get out your books. Let's go. I don't know why people are looking at me like you guys need a cue. Get out a book. Take a look at the problems, right? Like I said, I'll do 1 from the substitution section if you have it, and I'll do 3 or 4 from the elimination section. All right, so again, here's the assignment for the second day, if you didn't get it. So you guys only have the 1 question that you want to see done? So what's number 15 say, please and thank you, I need the system? 2x plus 6y equals what? Minus 10y equals 9. Okay. Okay. So same thing, right? As always. Which variable do you want me to get rid of, x or y? Which variable do you want me to get rid of, x or y? X. Okay, what do you recognize about x? What are the coefficients? 2 and 2, right? So if the coefficients are already the same, what do you have to multiply the top by to get 2? 1. And what do you have to multiply the bottom by to get 2? 1, right? Now, what's 1 times 2x? 1 times 2x. Okay, so we have the same number, but we need opposite signs, right? Do I have opposite signs? So what does that mean? One of these ones has to become a what? A negative. Which one do you want me to use? Top? Okay, doesn't matter which one I change into a negative. No, you should get the exact same answers. So distribute. Distribute on the bottom. And then we just add down, right? So what's negative 2x plus 2x? 0. So that cancels out, which is what we want, right? One of our variables should disappear. What's a negative 6y? Take away 10y. Negative 17 plus 9. Everybody okay? Yes, no? Well, now we have to solve for y. So how do you get y by itself? So y equals 1/2. So now we take that and plug it back into what? One of the originals. Doesn't matter which one? Okay, so you want me to plug it back into the top or the bottom? Top. Okay. Any questions on that flow? So I'm not done yet. What do I have to actually do? I have to write the solution, right? So I have to see somewhere on your paper what the solution is. Okay, if you just leave it like this, you're going to lose points. You have to put it together as an ordered pair. So what's the x-coordinate? And what's the y-coordinate? So this is what I need to see on your paper somewhere, okay? So make sure that you actually finish these problems. You're like, okay, I got the x and y, but you need to put it together as an actual ordered pair because the solution has to be a point on the graph where the 2 lines cross, where they coexist, right? So I have to see what that point is. Everybody good? Yep. Anything else you don't want to see, or you just need time to work? 18? All right, what's the system? Equals what? Sorry, 20? All right, so again, which variable do you want me to get rid of? X or y? Y, okay. So we've got a 3 and a 6, so it's the least common multiple between 3 and 6. 6, right, multiple, not factor. Right, so I have to go up to the same number. So it's going to be a 6. So what do I multiply with 3 to get 6? And what do I multiply with 6 to get 6? Okay, real quick, what's 2 times negative 3? Negative 6. 1 times negative 6. Negative 6, does that work for me? No, I need one of those to come out as a positive, right? So what do one of these numbers outside need to be? Negative. So remember yesterday how I told you that you want either 1 negative or 3 negatives? this is what I mean. So if you look at 15, right, we were getting rid of x. So positive, 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 negative, right? One negative. Everybody okay with that? Yes, no? The other situation is what if they're both negatives? Well, one negative, two negatives, three negatives, one positive. That's what I'm talking about, okay? For your signage issues, you either want one negative or you want three negatives. So that way you guarantee that you get one positive out and one negative answer out, okay? So distribute. So we add, what's negative 8x plus 8x? 0. What's 6y? Take away 6y. So what's 0 plus 0? Okay, so already, what are my two possible options? Infinitely many or no solution, depending on whether this statement comes out true or false, right? So what's negative 20 plus 20? 0. So if it's true, is it no solution or infinitely many? Infinitely many. All right, so everybody okay with 18, yeah? All right. Anything else, or are we good? Are these making some sense?
Yeah.
So real quick, elimination is pretty quick, right? So the next section, when we start dealing with 3x3 systems, we're going to be doing a lot of elimination. All right, so please make sure that you're good with this stuff for tomorrow. Okay? So both homework assignments, substitution and elimination, are due tomorrow. Okay, but remember, each one counts as 5 points, so make sure you get them all done, right? 12 problems on substitution and about 12 problems on elimination.